Hi, I'm Matysiak with Superkey Real Estate Group. I'm standing in front of 3612 Twin Maple Drive to tell you about an incredible investment opportunity. So let me break down this investment opportunity for you. 3612 Twin Maple is valued at an estimated $1 million. You could be the purchasers of this place for $200K down. It needs a little love, right? So you put $200,000 into renos into this property, you could see it worth $1.3 million after that. Then you're renting the place out. It's a duplex. Upstairs and downstairs could rent for a combo of $4,400 per month. So you're operating with positive cash flow, you're paying down principal, and you're earning appreciation on a new property in a thriving market. The numbers work. Let's take a look inside and show you the property. As you can see, this place is not a gut job. It really just needs the cosmetics. One thing we hate is paying for other people's renovations. Nothing has been done to this house in like 30 years. It's all in original shape and ready to go. But the beautiful thing is, not everything needs to go. You just need a little bit. You can probably keep the drywall, you can keep a lot of stuff. That's why it's not a gut and it's purely cosmetic, meaning you spend a lot less money to get the results you want. This is truly a must-see, amazing investment opportunity. Contact your Superkey Real Estate sales representative and come check this place out. Thanks for watching.